won't change now.
Hello, how are you all? Friends, today we will learn about the amazing brown skin tone preset filter, so we present you some samples in it. Now you see how this image was before and how it is now. Friends, we hope you will see our video complete, so let's start. First of all, you have to go to the light option. First you have to increase the exposure to 0.50. Plus 35 to contrast. You have to reduce the highlight to -100. Shadow plus 50. White has to give you -50. Reduce black to -40. After that, friends, we have to go to the curve option. So friends, here you have to select blue color and take a screenshot as I am. Friends, I will follow it very carefully. If there is a slight omission, it may affect our image. Once this is done, friends, click on Done. Now friends, we have to go to the colors option. After entering the color option, the temperature has to be reduced to +6. After that you have to increase the vibrance to +25. Increase saturation to 20. Friends, I think you will be following this process carelessly. Now friends, go to the vignette option. Texture has to be increased to 9. Clarity +15. Bring dehaze to 15. Reduce vignette to -20. Guys will bring the midpoint to 65 plus. Raise feather to +65. Fill roundness complete. Bring highlights to +35 soon. Increase the grain amount to 10. Reduce the size to 40. Roughness to increase to 60. After this you have to go the sharp option. Be the first to take 25 sharpening. Bring radius to 1.20. Increase the detail to 30. Bring the markings to 15. Increase the noise reduction to 16. Reduce the details to 60. Increase contrast to 15. Bring color noise to 10. You have to increase the detail to 60 again. After that, you have to bring smoothness to 65. Now friends, after all this, you must check all the processes once again to see whether we have done this process correctly or not. Okay friend, all the processes have been corrected, so let's go to the next option. Now friends, you have to go to the Profiles filter. Now you have to select 8th filter of the artistic filter. Now friends, you have to increase its saturation to plus 110. Now friends, you will be able to see that our image has been successfully edited. So now we see whether this setting applies to other images or not. Now friends, you will be able to see that this setting is being successfully applied to our images. Friends, this was in today's video. If you liked it, then share it and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's enjoy your on this lovely day.